Another important question from the chapter Sequences and Series of class 11th. The question is, find the number of terms common to these two APs. Find the number of terms common to the arithmetic progressions AP1 and AP2. You are given two APs, 1, 4, 7 up to 301, 2, 7, 12 up to 502. You need to find the number of terms which will be common if we are writing all the terms of these two APs. If we write all the terms of these two APs, how many terms will be common there? So it is not easy for completing the APs, writing all the terms of these APs and then observing how many terms are there. What is the method for doing this? By observation we can see that the first common term is 7. So the first term will be first common term of both the APs. We will get by observing only. Now to find the next common term, one method I have already told you. Write the AP, continue the AP, and then by observing find out the second one, which is a difficult task. So to find the next common term of this AP consisting of only the common terms, we need the common difference. We need the common difference of the series of common terms only. So the common difference D of the series of these common terms will be the LCM of common differences of these two APs. This AP is having common difference 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, it is 3, and this AP is having common difference 5. So 3 5 the 15. What I am trying to explain is that if we want to find the common terms of these two APs, the first one is 7, the next one will be 7 plus 15 22. And the next one will be 22 plus 15, and the next one will be again add 15. So how many terms are there? We want to find that. So we are having a new series of 7, then 22 and so on. In that series, how many terms will be there? So first we will write the general term of that AP having first term as 7 and the common difference as 15. Using the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That will be nth term AN will be the first term 7 plus, we don't know how many terms will be there, so n minus 1 into common difference is 15. Now one important concept is that this general term should be less than 301. That cannot exceed 301 because we are trying to find out the number of common terms of these two APs. So that cannot be greater than 301. That means this term should be, AN should be less than 301. That is 7 plus n minus 1 into 15 should be less than or equal to 301. Now subtract 7 from both the sides. It will be n minus 1 into 15. 7 subtracted. 301 minus 7 will be 294. So n minus 1 into 15 should be less than or equal to 294, or n minus 1 should be less than or equal to, now divide with 15 on both sides. It will be 295 4 divided by 15. That means n should be less than or equal to 294 divided by 15 plus 1. Add 1 to both the sides. That means n should be less than or equal to 294, 304, 309. 309 divided by 15. If we divide this, we will get n should be less than or equal to 15 to the 30, 0, 90, 15, 6 the 90. So the number of terms should be less than or equal to 20.6. The number of terms should be an integer, and an integer less than 20.6 will be n is equal to 20. Which means if we complete these two APs, there will be 20 terms common to both of them. I hope you understood.